Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos. Now today's video, if you're a makeup lover, you're gonna love this video. I'm gonna be sharing some new palettes that I got. I'm gonna be swatching them and reviewing them. Now, before we get started, don't forget to pass by my blog, pattyscloset.com, and also on my social media like Instagram, Patties_closet. There you'll see more fashion and more beauty content. All right, guys, let's get started. I have 5 palettes here and also a Pixi PR box for this video. These palettes, I got all of these in IPSY Live New York. If you haven't seen that video, I shared an unboxing of my swag bag, and I'm going to go ahead and link that video for you guys here if you have not seen that. These were the palettes that came in the box. In the bag. I didn't want to get into detail in that video with these palettes because if not, that video would be like 3-4 hours long. There was just so much stuff in that bag, so I kind of quickly just unboxed everything that was in there. Anything that I wanted to get into detail, I kind of left it for a separate video. And these palettes are just like definitely a must to do a separate video on, to swatch and just kind of tell you guys everything about it. I'm absolutely excited about all these palettes. I'm just like a makeup lover. I also have a Pixi box, which is the size of my face. This thing is freaking huge. I want to share the makeup that came inside. It's just a good makeup day today. Let's get started, guys. So let's start off with this Pixi box. This thing is like bigger than my face. This thing is huge. So this is from Pixi. It's their Pixi Pretties collection. So they took from a few of their favorite beauty gurus, some of their favorite Pixi products, and kind of put it all into one box. So let's see which beauty gurus and which products did they choose. It's me. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. They included here 5 of their favorite beauty gurus that they've worked with, and they shared, like I said, their favorite products. There's definitely a lot of glow in here, so this package was definitely meant for me because I love anything with shimmer, anything that any good highlights, anything with glow is just kind of like my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the box so I can kind of swatch them and show them better to you guys because this box is huge. Okay, so from the first collection, this is from the beauty guru Chloe Morello, and this is 3 lip shimmers. They're lip glows, and they're in 3 different colors here. This is kind of great for now, actually for the holidays, to kind of add a little bit of shimmer to your lips. If you're not a big fan of like sparkly eyeshadows and you just want a little sparkle for like a nice holiday makeup look, I would definitely recommend something like this. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. These are the 3 colors here, and these are in Bonbon, in Sorbet, and Parfait. Okay, so next up here, this is from the beauty guru Miriam. I really love her. She included 2 of the liquid fairy lights and also a matte liquid lipstick in 2 different colors. So it's kind of like a lip and a eye kit. So I went ahead and I opened this one, and this one included the matte lipstick in Coral Bang and also the eye kit in Marriage. Their matte liquid lipsticks are so good. I did receive their entire matte lip collection that they sent out like months ago. I think it was like at the beginning of this year, and I absolutely use these like almost every day. I'm a big kind of matte person when it comes to lipsticks, so I love when they sent me this collection because I kind of like use them almost every single day. The next set here is from beauty guru Jen Choi, and there's 3 products here. They're all glow products. This whole entire thing is glow products. So this is the glowy powder, and this is in Wednesday, and also the glowy powder in Fetch, and also an endless shadow stick. Everything here is absolutely shimmer. I absolutely love this. This is the perfect timing for me because during the holidays I love to create looks with like glow and shimmer, and these products are just a bomb. And this here is from Beauty Guru from the Heart Defensor, and this is a eyeshadow palette, and it has 8 colors here, and it has a few mattes, a few shimmeries, and also a few metallics. And last but not least, in this box, it's from Rachel Loves, and this is a highlighting palette. If you love highlighting, then this palette is for you. It's such a cute palette. This is what the actual palette looks like, and let me just show it for you guys. And this is what it looks like inside. Such a cute packaging here. So there is 5 multi-glow shades in here. I am going to be glowing my life away with all these products. This was a big favorite Pixi PR package of mine. Thank you, Pixi, for this packaging. I'm a big fan of glow. I cannot wait to dip myself in glow from head to toe. All right, now let's move on to all the eyeshadow palettes I told you guys that were from the IPSY bag. Let's go ahead and start with this one. This one is by IPSY Beauty. The palette is called Ocean Awakening. I actually never heard of this brand. It was brand new to me. I learned about it, like I said, during the event in IPSY, New York. The owner was actually one of the panelists, so it was kind of great to hear her kind of backstory of how she started her company and all of that stuff. She's so sweet, super nice. They had a very cute booth, and I got to take home this palette. And let me go ahead and open it for you guys. This is what the actual packaging looks like. When I first saw the palette and I saw the word ocean, I thought that the entire palette was going to be all blues, and I'm more of a warm tone girl. I very rarely do use any type of like cool tones and blues, so I was like, man, is this going to be an all blue palette? But when I opened it, this is what the colors look like. I'm absolutely in love with this palette because it's not just all blue. Like, it's kind of like a little mix for of both worlds, kind of warm and cool. So there's 20 pigmented shadows in here. My absolute favorite was these 2 gold ones here, and absolutely this one. This is something I would wear like every single day. The palette retails for about 25 bucks. So you're getting 20 eyeshadows for 25 bucks, which is not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So that's all the colors swatch. I'm so happy that I got to learn more from this brand and I got introduced to it. Comment down below if you've used any of their products before. If you've actually tried this palette, comment down below and let me know. I'm super excited for this palette. I love, like I said, all these like a mix of colors. This is like their ocean to sand. That's why it's called Oceaning Awakening. So it kind of has the blues and the mix of the warms. This is the perfect palette if you like best of both worlds. Next up is this one from Thebalm. This one is called Pedal to the Metal. I absolutely love Thebalm's packaging. It's always so like retro, so chic, so cute, very, very thought out in their marketing department. So there's 8 creamy eyeshadow palettes. The finish is a creamy. This is what the colors look like. I absolutely love these colors. There's a ton of neutrals and there's a gold here. Anytime there's like a gold color, I always gravitate towards that one. When they had their booth in the IPSY event, this is the one they were currently promoting. And when they swatched it for me, I was just like amazed. This was kind of like that palette that's just like underestimated. Like, I saw the colors and I was like, oh, it's nice, it's pretty. And when they swatched these colors, I was like, whoa. It's very bright, very pigmented. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you can see in the swatch, they're super pigmented. That gold one just stands out so much. I absolutely love this palette. I love how small and compact it is. I love that it comes with the mirror. It also has the little magnetic strip as well. And it retails for 30 bucks. Have you guys tried Thebalm's eyeshadow palette? I'm a big fan of their bronzer. I absolutely use that bronzer every day. It's the one I'm using in today's video. And every single video, I'm addicted to their bronzer in Bahama Mama. I've never tried any of their eyeshadow palettes, so I'm very excited that I got to take this one home from that event. Up next is Colourpop. I absolutely love the brand Colourpop. I've been using them for years. I've mainly used their lipsticks. I have used a few of their eyeshadows and highlighters. They're so inexpensive and such great quality, great formula. I've been a big fan of Colourpop. So this here is their Rendezvous palette. There's 12 pressed pan shadows, and let me go ahead and open it. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the blue and the gold. It has the name of the eyeshadows in the back. And this is what the colors look like. This is actually a limited edition palette. These colors are just so like elegant and fierce. I absolutely love these colors here. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of blues, but this color just stands out to me, and I absolutely cannot wait to create an eye look with that. Again, this is a great palette for the holidays. If you like shimmer, there's a few mattes, there's a few shimmers, so there's a little bit of everything to play with in this palette. So that's what the swatches look like. There's 12 gorgeous, pretty colors that range from metallics to powders. I absolutely love this palette. All right, we have two more eyeshadow palettes left. This one here is from Pure Cosmetics, and this eyeshadow palette is called Be Your Selfie. This is my first eyeshadow palette from Pure. I've tried more of their skincare products, like their mask, and they're so bomb. So I'm very excited and interested to try their eyeshadow palette. Let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So this is a limited edition palette. There's 9 colors in here. This is what the colors look like. I absolutely love this packaging. It's all gold. It has a mirror on the top. And the colors here, this is all kind of like in the blush family. There's a few metallics. There's also a few matte shades up here. If you're definitely into all those like pink and rosy type of colors, then definitely this palette is for you. That is what the swatches look like. My absolute favorite is Fabulous. That color is just so glamorous. I absolutely love that color. Comment down below and let me know which color is your favorite from here. The price point is around 29 bucks. You can find it in Ulta and places like that. I absolutely am excited to try this. Like I said, I've never tried any of their actual eyeshadow palettes. I've had tried their other cosmetics products and beauty products. Last but not least, I left this big bad boy for last, and this is the Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. I was screaming for joy when I saw this in my bag. I've never tried Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I've tried their brushes, and their brushes are absolutely amazing. I've heard good things about Morphe eyeshadow palettes, that they're super pigmented, and that's always something I look for in eyeshadow palettes. Let me go ahead and open this one. They're all warm tone, very coppery, definitely my style. I'm going to see myself using this eyeshadow palette almost every single day. There's a few shimmers down here, a few soft mattes up here, 25 different shades of that copper brown tone color. This is like perfect. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. That's what the swatches look like. They're super pigmented. I love those dark browns, those copper colors. This is like a nice neutral palette for me because these are colors that I would use like almost every single day. The price point of this palette is 25 bucks for 20 eyeshadows and $25, and for that quality of pigmentation, I definitely think it's worth it. All right, guys, that is it. That is so much makeup talk in one video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these palettes or which one is your favorite. Don't forget, you can subscribe to my channel. That link is down below. There's a new video here on Sundays, on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.